I'm Forrest Saunders, standing in front of the state capitol here in Tallahassee. Florida is now an open carry state. That's according to Attorney General James Othmeyer, who says he's no longer going to be seeking prosecutions of those who are violating the state's ban. After days of uncertainty on the status of Florida's ban against openly carrying firearms, Florida Attorney General James Othmeyer laying down the law Monday. In a letter, he's directed police and prosecutors to stop enforcing the state's open carry restrictions. That's after a state appeals court struck down the ban last week. Judges said it violated the Second Amendment. Othmeyer writes, because a state court can no longer convict, cops and prosecutors should, quote, refrain from arresting or prosecuting law-abiding citizens carrying a firearm in a manner that is visible to others.
For all practical purposes, this matter is probably the new law in the state of Florida.
Gun law attorneys agree. Open carry is now basically set in stone for Florida. That's despite a still looming September 25th legal deadline. Kirk Evans with U.S. Law Shield thinks it's likely the state legislature will next step in to codify things.
There are already rumblings about that, and they could certainly do that just to, you're right, to clean things up, the where, how, why, where you can carry things like that, as opposed to just this one particular decision, leaving it sort of vague.
In a statement, Florida Democrats condemned the Attorney General for his letter and predicted, quote, negative long-term effects on our communities. That's as Second Amendment advocates seeking to expand firearms access celebrate. Governor Ron DeSantis has been among them.
38 states have open carry. It's not something that's controversial. The sky hasn't fallen in any of those. Why not pass that out of the Florida House of Representatives?
And then there are Florida State students.
What do we want?
Gun safety.
And when do we want it?
Now.
They've urged lawmakers not to unwind Florida gun laws. That's after that April shooting on campus, which killed 2.
Open carry has absolutely no place on campus.
Madeline Probst tells us she's worried lawmakers will only want to go further when they return in January.
If there are legislators that want to move forward with repealing red flag laws or being emboldened in any way to create bad gun legislation, I will be there. My friends will be there. The FSU community will be there. We are in Tallahassee. We will be there to share our experiences and really show them that this is not what their constituents want.
While it seems Florida is indeed now joining the vast majority of states that allow the open carrying of firearms, there are still restrictions in place. That includes private property, schools, and courthouses. That's the latest out here at the state capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.